Wow, that's cold, bro. Even for Meliisa. I didn't think she had it in her.
Neither did I.
I'm in shock. I know you gotta be in shock. How you doing, bro?
Well, I know I'm supposed to be upset or pissed off or heartbroken, but you know what? I don't think I am. I mean, I know I'm gonna miss her and all the things we used to do, but right now I just don't know what to do.
Got it. I know what you should do.
What?
Everything that she never wanted you to do. Or better yet, everything you wanted to do, but you never did do it because of her.
Pee in the shower?
You just made me fart with that one. That's too much information. But, come on, bigger than that.
Oh, I can go eat it Outback now.
Dude, we do that every Tuesday anyway. I feel like I'm the one drinking it. I mean...
I know what I want to do. I'm gonna travel to Canada through the Midwest.
Okay, that's a start. Now we're getting somewhere.
Learn to snorkel.
There you go.
You know what's weird?
What, besides what just happened with you and Meliisa?
Well, with all the formative years I spent growing up with her,
Yeah?
it's hard to tell where she ends and I begin.
Right here, David. Right here. It's gonna be alright, my man. It's gonna be alright. I just better not have to pull your head out of the toilet.